Hi everybody, this is Joe Jurek and welcome back to my real estate investing adventures. It's that time of year again, springtime. The trees look so great, the leaves are coming out here in the Midwest and you just can't beat the weather. So what does that mean to you in real estate? The markets usually heat up when the seasons change. Going from winter, everybody's usually inside in colder climates. When the weather heats up, often the real estate market will also heat up. But this is what I want to tell you. If it's a great, nice day where you're at and you're thinking, okay, it's the weekend, I worked hard all week, do I want to go out and really do real estate or do I want to have fun this weekend? Nothing wrong with having fun, but you have to devote a certain amount of days to getting out there, looking at houses and making offers. So no matter the season, rain, sleet, snow, cold, warm, heat, no matter what it's doing outside, you should be dedicated to making the time, going out there, looking at properties, trying to find your next deal, and making it happen. And understand how seasonality sometimes can impact and affect a market that you're in. So until next time, go make your dreams a reality. Take care, believe and achieve. Bye-bye.